What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the overall state of the market. We're going to talk about what stocks, my top stocks I would be looking to buy, especially during this dip that we're having, and just basically talking about where we're probably heading from now. So no matter what you're in, this video is probably going to have some value to you. It's probably going to affect you in some type of way, especially if you're in tech. Definitely this is going to be a good video for you. Now let's get right into this video and let's talk about it. So the NASDAQ. If you've been following tech stocks, you know what's happening right now. You know exactly what's happening right now, and it's looking rough, guys. That's the simplest way to put it. Right now, what we're working with is, we pushed up, pulled back, thought this was the reversal, guys. I mean, it got me fooled. It had me fooled. I even got fooled by this. So this morning we were right here, and then we just plummeted. We just sold off. I literally hate when this happens. We just had these huge red candles out of nowhere. Makes no rational sense. But either way, that's what we're working with. You can't change it. And right now, what I'm looking for our, leg of hope is it not getting below this last low. So hopefully we just, by miracle, are able to turn around right here and start pushing up. Now, if we get below that, then I'll have to make another one of these videos and talk about what's going to happen, because it's going to get ugly if we get underneath this, guys. Trust me. For the S&P 500, same scenario. It's actually looking a lot better. It's looking a lot better. We have a lot more room to fall down to on the S&P 500 because this is a combination of stocks, just not tech stocks. So there's a lot of things that are helping holding this up as well. But overall, the S&P 500 still has some more room to fall. The tech is what's on thin ice, guys. Tech is the stock or the index that is on thin ice. Want to see a reversal here? If this is, by some miracle, this is the next low and that we just reverse here, what I'd be looking for is a push back into this green box. Now, it's going to take a lot of buyers to just come in here and push this up. It's possible. Not saying it's not. I mean, we had a 400-day on Monday, so we could push up. We could push up, but this is where I want us to end up in. Now, the stocks I'm looking at to especially buy this dip is I'm looking at Apple. Now, Apple is hit highs of 145. 145. It's at 123 right now. It's been a very long time since Apple, has just been on a huge decrease. Last time we had this much of a dip was back here in August or September. Yeah, it was end of August, beginning of September. It lasted for a month. This last one right here, October 14th, went from 123 to 107. That lasted for a month. This dip we're on right now, January 28th to right now, is lasting for over a month. So it's been a really long time, really, since we've had this huge of a correction on a lot of these stocks. So Apple is the first one I'd be looking to buy into. The next one, I love this one, AMD. AMD, I mean, it's just been on an absolute tear recently. Before this huge downtrend happened, I mean, it's been doing good. So what we're working with on AMD is we just been selling off. We hit highs of almost $100, and we're at 81, 85 at the time of this recording. So that's one I'm looking to pick up. It's just been on this just horrible decline ever since. This one started since January. So it's been rough for AMD users, but I'm looking to hopefully for this to base out and to get in this one as well. So that's one I'm looking. That's the second one I'm looking at. Now the third one, obviously, is going to be Tesla. So we got Apple, AMD, and Tesla. Now, Tesla, it's been on this monster tear as well. Ever since this right here, the S&P 500 inclusion, we've just been going crazy on Tesla. Now, for Tesla, what I want to see is some type of base out here. Right now, we're trading on thin water as well. I mean, if we break this right here at, what's that, 667, this purple line, pink line right here, we got room to fall. We really got room to fall. So I do not want that to break. Hopefully this is our base. Hopefully the overall market starts to cooperate here, and then we're able to just push up. So Tesla, Apple, and AMD are three stocks I'm looking at to buy the dip on. So those are three stocks I'm looking to buy the dip on. Now there's a lot of other ones. So these are just three, my personal favorite. But there's a lot of other ones in the tech sector. So you can look at Facebook. to buy into. Facebook's on a good dip. I mean, we've hit 300 before on Facebook over here back in September. Microsoft, same thing with Microsoft. Microsoft's actually, giving us a good dip. So Microsoft recently hit highs of 246. So there's plenty of other tech stocks out there that are having amazing dip buying opportunity. It all just depends on what companies you like and what you think has the most value. But my list to summarize is AMD, Apple, and Tesla. The overall state of the market, though, we have to watch out on it. We really do. I do not want us getting below this low. If we get below this low, it's potential bad news for us. It really is. So ideally today, for the rest of the day, just hang out. Hopefully just weather the storm. And then tomorrow, we have literally the best day in our life. Literally the market has never seen a day that huge. That's what we basically need tomorrow and Friday. So tomorrow maybe we have a 250 point day, 300 day to erase these gains. Then on Friday we just moon like no other. So hopefully that helps us. Just hold on. But there are some value stocks to be looking at, especially if we do start to recover. There's a bunch of opportunities to look for. Either way, guys, thank you for watching this video. I know it's a little bit different. Haven't made a video like this before, so hopefully you did enjoy this style. If you did, let me know in the comments below if you did enjoy this type of video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.